I cannot swim. Liz cannot swim. Where are we going?
Good morning, princess. Say good morning, Emma. How does it feel to be going to the beach for the first time this morning? Are you ready for the adventure? Yeah? Okay.
That's a lie, mommy. I've been there before.
When did she go to the beach? Oh, but that don't really count because I never really get the beach experience. It was like shooting a music video on the beach. Remember that? Mm-hmm. Yeah, so technically it's their first time to the beach, Emma. Excited? Excited, baby? Yeah, you look excited. So I'm gonna wake up Raina now and see if I can get her up. And excited like Emma is. Right? You gone for Raina, Romain? Okay. Alright, let's see how that goes. Dia.
Raina is fast asleep.
Wake, see if I can wake her. Yeah, it's gonna be an exciting day, Emma. I promise. Dia.
Raina? I didn't want to do this, baby. Mommy said I should wake you. So get up. Raina? I'm waking this man, I'll wake her. Sleep, baby. Sleep. Oh, we must go to the beach today. Okay? Are you hearing me? If you're hearing me, do something. Move your hand or something.
A few moments later.
Okay, so she finally get up. But she's not up, as the lizard has said.
Up.
Right? She a smile. Right? No camera, daddy. Too early for that. Alright, I'm gonna make you a bottle. Alright? I didn't want to get up this morning either. I didn't want to get up. But sometimes you just have to get up and do things. Yes. So today should be a beautiful day. Also today, mommy and the rest of the family, they're meeting us at the beach. So it's gonna be a family fun day. Right, Emma?
Good morning, Raina. Hi.
Emma's still a yarn.
Emma, are you still yawning? Boy, Ems. Whoa. Thought you were up.
How you feel to be having breakfast in bed? Not your bed, but mommy and daddy's bed. Feels good?
She look annoyed there.
Yeah, can we wake her up?
Earlier than normal.
A few moments later.
Hot mother. So we are ready. Raina is smiling while Emma is crying. What are you trying to say? Beach day, fun day, family fun day. Let's go, Virgonation. You ready? Make how we go now.
Yes, guys, we're on our way. I'm so excited.
Are you?
I am.
Oh yes.
Who do you think going to be afraid of the water?
Oh gosh, we all know.
Emma?
Raina. Raina don't like to walk, first of all.
She love our butts.
First of all.
Let's see how it goes. Sing Romain.
Sing.
Twinkle, twinkle,
Virgonation, listen to me. I cannot swim. Liz cannot swim. Where are we going?
We're going to the sand.
We can walk sand for real. Jeez, but we're on our way. We're almost there. Overcast looking sky. Liz says it's partly cloudy. So like she don't meteorologist power with like she, you don't think that is very time?
No, we just watch a lot of. I think you should move from behind this car that has the learner sign on it.
Lisa, you can't drive.
No, we never say that, but it's a learner.
A few moments later.
We just tried to trick Remain 1 hour ago. She started cuss. We tell her, say, we're still there town, and she started cuss. Why Remain tell her, say, we leave out already, and she could have still want to go and do some more chores. But guess what now, we just reach where she tell where she's at, so.
Literally 30 seconds after. So, you can see the reaction now. Right now, them in a car over there, so watch me and them. We're mashing over there.
Mommy, so where ferry listening?
I see where you there. Oh, you're there in the back? Okay. Alright, you don't follow it. Yeah. You see that? Go hear her cussing out. Oh my god. Okay, so we have a problem. I'll be back.
So on the journey we had to pretty much make a detour. Stopped at the gas station. He'll tell you soon. It's okay, baby. Based on what I'm seeing, all I'm gonna say right now is thank God say I know we first date this, because if it was our first date, you're gonna get pepper spray already.
Oh yeah, so what kind of lonely road is making you come and do? Oh my
No, I'm gonna start to wonder what's going on. Worse if I'm here alone.
Yeah, man. I'm kind of surprised too, but I saw good things and good places sometimes. You know, at first I wonder what's going on. Where? Which you do we go now?
Left?
Oh, well, sign is here, yeah. Well, we see cars. You see?
Wow.
You see? Don't judge a book by its cover. Tell you.
Oh my god.
See, you know, we reach.
Can I go further down? Yes, sir. Why I feel like we're ill-equipped. People are bringing chairs. Stop.
Well, we can't go up the trunk.
So while mommy is parking, guys, life comes at you fast. So we're driving, coming, you know, having fun, and Emma starts crying, and I decided to give her my phone to watch videos. While it calmed her down, at some point in time I looked around, like checking on her, and when I look, Emma threw up all over herself, and she's looking at her hands because it messed up, and like, you know, like she wondering what's happening. So we had to stop, change her, clean off the car seats and everything, and right now they fell asleep and we need to take them out because they're not sitting properly in the seat. But boy, what an adventure.
This is definitely the first time I've ever seen this. Like, Emma none of them.
I think it was because her stomach was probably
Upset?
yeah. Place kind of look foolish, but I see where it came from.
Foolish. Is that a new word?
No, it's been around. It's not my first time using it.
So, it seems like we finally make it. And it seems like it is a nice
road to travel, and I might long way to go.
it seems like it's a nice to go out down to the beach. So, we're there. Hopefully we can find a nice spot in the shade. We don't know yet, but we'll see. Ooh-wee. Massive in the building!
Yeah.
So we're here, Venetia, that's her name. She helped us with, finding this little spot here. So we'll lay down them things so the baby them can sleep. Got them still asleep. Alright, baby. Nice. Yeah. Comfortable, shall get comfortable. Alright. Our next sleeping beauty.
Sleeping beauty.
Oh gosh. That's how you usually go when you're a baby too.
Sleep.
Can't stay up.
Less than a few moments later.
Jesus. Reina, you're up already, baby? Bless you. Oh, probably we are disturbed. So at this moment, hungry a backslash. You see me?
Oui.
Liz, I she alone about hungry. Mommy hungry too?
Exactly. Mommy don't let me down.
Never know. But as I was saying earlier on, Reina decides that she not sleep.
So now miss out.
She now miss out, so she get up faster than expected.
No, grandma.
So no grandma.
I'm not missing out on anything, man.
You know say you're foreigner when the camera go for you?
Me?
Yeah.
Me?
You know, you sound like American.
Yeah.
Who's this girl? Who's this?
Walk to daddy.
Come now. Make a one step.
Walk to daddy right now.
Rainy.
Oh.
Make a one
No,
step.
you afraid?
Oh my gosh. Come. Me tell Liz them already, say, Raina come joke out the thing. Cause she no love walk.
I'm trying to blow up a girl them floaty.
Oh.
How is it? Rough?
Rough. I feel them have no energy for your idea.
Oh lord. It full? That looks soft still.
Really?
Yeah. Cause this part to blow too.
Okay.
She look cute in her little two-piece suit though. Reina, this one look like it require a little bit more effort. So what daddy has to go through to get a floaty for you?
Yeah, you feel bad taking that eye.
Let me take a break. No, sir. You never hear of so.
Better you than me still.
A few moments later.
Sorry now how you rain so much when you're in the house. Now you're outside, you can free up and you're not freeing up.
Come, baby.
Go with daddy. Watch out.
Take one. Take two. Take three. 4, 5.
No, sir. What is this?
Come. Ah, that's my girl. That's my baby. That's my baby.
So Auntie Shan thinks that the reason Reina isn't cooperating is because she doesn't like how the sand feels on her foot. So this is what she's doing as a fix. So let's see if it will work.
All I have to do is pretend she fall out of my hand.
Let's see.
Oh no.
Shante, look like it not working. Look like it not work.
So hungry strike as we said earlier on. We just order food, we're waiting on it. Right, Liz?
Yeah, waiting on the food. Why you try to make it look like I'm me alone order food? You see right here.
Are you first order? So we have to make, Virgonation know say everybody else did alright and just want to swim. And then you say no, food first. Let's go food.
No shame, no, I give it up.
Ishante, now Liz first the food. What?
I'm going to the water with hungry belly.
Exactly.
Yeah, so you drop down in the water.
You're going to float. We'll go treasure hunting. What's the treasure? Your man may have misplaced the car keys. Not too much in because it was a lot to get inside. But what could see?
You ever tired before you reach the beach? Yeah, I cannot reach it. But you see if we find it.
I don't think it would be in my bag.
Well, let's just test the door. Yeah. Go on again. Well,
We have it. It's somewhere.
in the summer.
You got it, man?
Before I come back out, there's a trick here. You man?
They would come with some lame, for want of a better word, trick.
I wouldn't do that and make you walk come so far, man. You mad? Yeah, don't it? Over there we are gonna. Alright guys, so we hear that there is a cliff around here and we are coming out of bush. Don't think nothing negative and nothing, you know. We just are coming out of bush.
Nobody never think that now you put it on your head now.
I wanna eat it, you know. So you say Liz never pay other food and go and like say she hungry the more than anybody else. Tell her.
So with this.
Ouch! Oi! Oi! You good?
Yes! Oh my god!
Wow!
Wow!
Alright, this looks like we're going somewhere for real. Quiet, babes. You hear that? You hear that, babe?
Here, well. I know my life from here, see. We can do a photo shoot on us.
True. You hear that?
What? Come on, man, I bet mom to stay away.
Like crocodiles.
What?
Joke, catch. There's that door. We don't know crocodile soon.
No, please.
Wow.
This is nice.
This
It's not a really cliffy jump off. I just
is.
come on and come chill.
Yeah. Well, you can jump off, you know, but you're gonna hurt yourself.
Yeah, exactly. I love it. Oh my god.
This is beautiful.
Wow. That's all I can say. Wow. Look at eye candy over there. Wanna say everybody good? Yeah. Good body remain. Nah, hear me. If you hear me right now, you say lazy enough it, you know? Oh gosh, look at the place pretty. Wow. I can take a picture.
There's the wife over there taking pictures of herself. Yes. I love it. Work it. Work that camera, baby. Woo! Yeah, baby. Yeah. You know, my dream was always to jump off a cliff too. There's so many things I want to try, Virgonation, but Liz.
With how much life?
Liz won't give me the opportunity.
From me, want jump out a plane. I want jump off a cliff.
Yeah, more on the skydiving, more on the bungee jumping, more on the
suicidal.
The roller coaster, them every single one of them in the world want to try. Oh, me see what there. Me see Will Smith go up on the Burj Khalifa top, like right up. Okay, too. Oh, yeah, the top of Burj Khalifa, and it does look good from up there. I would want to try that too.
I mean, why you can't plant some seed, chop some yard, do some things why not involve you jumping out of nowhere high or off anywhere high.
Cause that's regular, baby. I don't want to be regular. You know what I mean?
The one life you have. Walk fast, base.
Exactly. So you live and
walk
then.
Walk little faster and remain in case snake run out. We may hear something.
Yeah, it's a rat. It's a rat. It's a rat.
Babe.
A big rat too, you know.
I want to look. But then they tell me hungry.
So just to need food and now, you know. We're gonna go in the water, alright, baby? We're ready to go in the water? Rainy! Woo!
Rain up brave, you know?
Enjoy the ride, baby?
Rain realized that she sit down, she good, she sit down. Emma no, not so much.
If you know what Emma close to you, Emma. You enjoying it, baby? Rainy? Raina, baby?
Like this, yes.
Wow. No, no, Emma alone there.
That's what I need, Chai.
I'm not watch her. Slim, how you feeling? Nice. While their mother is afraid of the water.
That's a lie. Emma is afraid, so that's why I stay out here with her.
You're lying.
You want me to come?
Yes. Wow. Wow. Who's this? Who is this? Enjoying yourself, Rena? What?
This is something I really remember.
But guess what I realize? It's like She put her hand in her mouth, right? You see that? I feel like it's a salt water she like taste. Enjoying the water, baby? Emma? Now while ago she a cry. I guess it's a mother's touch, you know? I guess all it takes is like just some time to get used to the water. Yeah.
Just kind of more often.
Yeah, you know, so your side of the family, the coordinates come from the list. You know, please, I'm asking.
Look, Rennie.
Alright. Let's say you enjoy water.
Of course. Why not?
Then now go home.
No, I have water over. Alright.
No man, I think this is good at the underwater still. We need more of them kind of vibe, babe.
Ready when you are.
So Virgonation after we there. I said we are ready for enjoy. We said the real way, you know.
I get carried away.
Get carried away. Only we want whistle over this way. Time to go. Time to wrap up.
Time to wrap up at 4 o'clock.
At 4. Unbelievable.
Unreal.
Unreal.
And hear the best part about this. Sam and Carissa reach out.
Yeah, someone carries you there, but I don't want to see them. Maybe them run out of gas or something. I think.
This is one time. Then basically I miss out because they never reach in time.
Use the word appearance in a sentence.
What?
Use the word appearance in a sentence.
Me, sir, me. Oh, say it here?
Yeah.
Me did go sit down round the table. But when me look funny, appearance.
You think you didn't get it when mommy's appearance to this one?
Appearance, man.
She not working the program. And then Liz just catch on fast and run with it. Man, I turn up on the beach when the beach lock off. Hey. What if I go and give you me to the list? Man, what's up? After we tell Uncle Sam, so we are turn up on the beach from 12 today.
Uncle Sam just a come to
Uncle Sam just a turn up on the beach.
I like my grand entrance.
It's a well
Grand entrance.
When the festivities done, him just
over.
Better me reach, I no reach.
Quick, y'all call me.
A video call to you. Video call to you. What's up? Boy, I just one of them things. At least me reach before Carrie.
A few moments later.
Late number 2? Late number 3?
It's not even my fault.
We know that. We know that's Sam's fault.
Never for Sunny fault.
We know that can't use any. Happy Sam. Then Carrie.
Carrie's fault, I know for me.
What was the plan?
We're gonna eat food.
Okay.
I festive you come for.
It's a 9-night settings you come.
Yeah, the festive.
When I come to make nights, when I come to eat food.
True?
So this one now, if we don't feed them before we leave, you know, it's gonna be a problem. When I travel go up, right, Emma? Right, baby? I'm paying me no mind. She just enjoy her thing.
My baby's
How's it going? How's it going?
You don't know?
Best decision you ever make is feed them before we leave.
Trust me.
You know, say Emma throw up while she come?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Motion sickness? But me get my phone for what? Because she like get me sorry, me get my phone for what?
Like Emma follow me.
I say you see it too.
Probably that's no, as in I made it younger. Probably that's why I not bond so well. Because when I made it younger, any movement
Yeah.
me go on.
Yeah.
My mother used to have to peel ginger and give me for put in my mouth.
A real country.
You too?
No, me usually throw up newspaper in my chest.
Newspaper list? Who know about them style? Yeah?
the people all live on their soap.
Who don't know about them style of Virgonation? A few people who watch this right now know about them style. I'm telling you this. Yeah, well, you know, so I don't really know about this cup. I know about put on the bath. You know about put on the bath with the water, a ground, soap and water and them something there. A pipe business, I don't know about it. Okay, man. Cool. Oh my gosh.
We tell you, come on, we know if
Me not. Who tell us I'm going night, babes?
You're not there with her, man? No, sir, man.
No, sir. Who tell us I'm going night? We're not brave people, you know, man. Can't manage the cold water right now.
But mommy supposed to use squid.
Hey, mommy.
No, she not bathing in the cold water still. She boil her water.
She want water. Okay. Oh gosh.
Yeah.
last at least.
Eh?
As the road says 7 o'clock, everybody got it.
And this a come out?
What?
This is what you came about? To video me? Big little privacy, you come to wash off, bro. What is?
I don't need the camera, just stuck pump. I'm just trying to stop it and then stop.
Man.
So we're leaving the premises. We come here last and I'll leave last.
Especially me.
Eh? Not it. But yeah, we're leaving for real. Greatest thing right now, we have help. We're just coming. We have struggle. We have more than enough help now. We have bag carriers, we have baby carriers.
Bye-bye. Wait, so it's an extra walk for us?
Stay a do it, man.
Yeah, Virgonation. I hope you enjoyed that one. Thank you for watching.
did.
You enjoyed?
Yeah.
We need to do more like this.
Yes.
So thank you so much for watching this video, Virgonation. You know we love you. Thank you for the love, thank you for the support. Remember to like, share, subscribe,
Subscribe.
and keep it locked to the Virgos.
Yeah. We're on our way to 150k. Hit that subscribe button.
Ace.